Feel like your brain's running on buggy software called self-doubt? What if I told you confidence isn't something you're born with? It's a program you can install. Today, I'm giving you the cheat codes. 5 daily habits to delete that virus for good. By the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint to start building unstoppable confidence. First up, the solution-focused flip. Your brain is wired to scan for problems. To break this, the moment you feel stuck on why you can't do something, stop and ask, what is one possible solution? This simple question flips a switch in your brain from fear to action mode, making you instantly resourceful. Habit 2 is about creating undeniable proof that you win. We're stacking micro wins. Real confidence is built from tiny, consistent successes. At the start of your day, write down 3 micro wins, so small they're impossible to fail, like making your bed or drinking 1 glass of water. Every time you complete one, physically check it off. This sends a powerful message to your brain. I do what I say I'm going to do. Habit 3 is the embodiment protocol. You have to act as if you are the confident person you want to become. Your body and mind are in a constant feedback loop. Insecure feelings make you slouch. We're flipping the script. Ask yourself, how would the most confident version of me walk into this room? Then do it. Shoulders back, head held high. You don't have to feel confident to act confident, but acting it will help you feel it. Habit 4 makes your confidence unbreakable. It's the self-reflection anchor. Self-doubt thrives on your memory of failures. This habit retrains your memory. Once a day for just 2 minutes, relive a time you succeeded. It can be anything, nailing a presentation or fixing a leaky faucet. Feel that win. You are building a mental library of evidence to destroy self-doubt when it shows up. And our final habit, intentional affirmations with the mirror method. Simply repeating phrases you don't believe feels fake. The secret is to tie them to your wins. Every morning, stand in front of a mirror, look yourself in the eyes, and say an affirmation out loud that is linked to these new habits. For example, I am someone who focuses on solutions. Or, I stack my wins every single day. This reprograms your thoughts to win. So that's the playbook. This isn't a one-time fix, it's a system you run daily. Flip to solutions, stack your proof, act like a winner. Remember your wins and declare it to yourself. So I'm challenging you, which line of code are you installing first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this guide valuable, destroy that like button and subscribe for more. Start small, be consistent, and watch your life change. You've got this.